Takeaway coffee, 3 grams of protein. Homemade protein coffee, 25 grams of protein. 1 protein bar, 15 grams of protein. 2 homemade protein balls, 25 grams of protein. 1 pre-made smoothie, 1 gram of protein. A homemade protein smoothie, 20 grams of protein. Your coffee, just 1 scoop away from being a high protein snack, instead of a sugar crash in a bottle. A quick batch of protein balls can last all week, and a homemade protein smoothie can take the same time as waiting in line. When you make it yourself, you get to decide what fuels your body. More protein, less ingredients, and less sugar. And as you see, it doesn't have to be complicated. And if you want more advice like this, you know where to find me.